Alright, welcome back everybody. I'm going to do a little project today, something that someone told me about, but I haven't really done much research. I'm going to attempt to sprig some Bermuda stolons or runners into some bare spots that I have with a screwdriver. But before that, I'm going to run over the Bermuda with the lawnmower. I've been cutting it every 2 days just to keep it short, or relatively short, with my rotary mower. Then we'll sprig, and then I'm going to throw some fertilizer over the whole yard because it's been about a month and a half since I've done any on the grass. And then I'll water it in, and let's see how this goes. Alright, so that only takes about 2-3 minutes. It's about 450 square feet. So I'm going to check the clippings, normally mulch, but I decided to bag this time just to see what kind of growth I'm getting. I've been mowing every 2 days, like I said, so it shouldn't be very much. I'm just kind of cutting the tops off. So let's check it out. So as you can see, I'm taking hardly anything off at all. We haven't had a lot of rain recently. Alright, so now the plan is to cut up some runners that are coming off the edge of the sod that I laid back in July. Dig some holes with a screwdriver and a couple bare spots, put those in, cover them with sand, water, and then fertilize the whole yard. So let's see how it goes. The technique I kind of found worked best was to use the smaller screwdriver first and kind of wiggle it in there. It does kind of uncomfortable on your hand, but it's only a few, so. And then take a sprig. Doesn't matter how long, and I kind of put it in the middle. It's easiest to push down. And if it's one this long, I might also push it down in the hole next to it. So like I said before, I don't really know what I'm doing, but this seems to make sense. And then I'll just cover it all with sand and water it and put down some fertilizer. So that's kind of it for today. I'll take some video over the next couple days, couple weeks to see if they grow in or how they grow in. I'm just gonna spread some fertilizer on the whole yard. I'm going to put down Carbon X probably at 3 pounds per thousand, so 0.72 pounds of N across my 4,500 square feet. Hopefully that'll feed these. Maybe I'll sprinkle a little bit more on this area, but hopefully they fill in, and then we'll start the transition of getting Bermuda over this whole lawn. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.